Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is nice algebraic expression 16 to the power of 5 minus 16 to the power of 4. We write this algebraic expression into the lowest form. So here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. So here first we focus on the basis of this term, and you see that this is 16 and we write it as 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So now we replace both of the bases is equals to 2 to the power of 4, and this will be written as 2 to the power of 4 and its whole power 5 minus 2 to the power of 4 and its whole power is 4. So here we use the nice exponential rule, and you know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. According to this nice rule of exponents, we need to multiply both of these two exponents, and this will be written as in this form. So when we multiply these two exponents, this will be written as 2 to the power of 4 times of 5 becomes here 20 minus this is 4 times 4 becomes here 16. So now here we again rewrite these terms as in this form. This is 2 to the power of 20, and we write it as 2 to the power of 16 plus 4 minus this is 2 to the power of 16. And here we use another nice exponential rule. You know that if we have a to the power of m plus n equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponent, we break this exponent as in this form: 2 to the power of 16 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 minus this is 2 to the power of 16. And now further in the next step, you see here both of these two terms involve 2 to the power of 16, and we get the remaining values are this is 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. So here further in the next step, we need more simplification here, and you know about that this 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16, and we write it as 2 to the power of 16 into 16 minus 1. And now further we have we again break this 2 to the power of 16 as 2 to the power of 10 plus 6 multiplied by 16 minus 1 becomes here 15. And now further in the next step we have this is 2 to the power. Here we again use this nice exponent rule. So according to this rule, we again break these exponents as 2 to the power of 10 multiplied by 2 to the power of 6, and here we break this 15 as 10 plus 5. So here we know about that 2 to the power of 10 is equals to 1024 is multiplied by 2 to the power of 6 is equals to 64 into this is 10 plus 5. So here first we need to multiply this 64 separately on both of these two values, and this will be written as here we have 1024 times. When we multiply this 64 with this 10, we just write this 10 here, and we get 640 plus 5 times of this number is equals to 5 4s are 20. We write 0 and carry 2. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 becomes here 32. And now here first we need to sum up both of these two values, and its resulting answer is multiplied by 1024. So we have this is 1024 into this 0 plus 0 becomes 0, and 4 plus 2 becomes 6, and 6 plus 3 becomes here 9. So this will becomes 960. So we again rewrite this term as this is 1024 into we write this 960 as 1000 and minus 40. So 1000 minus 40 becomes 960. So when we multiply this term separately on both of these two values, this will becomes here 1024 is multiplied by 1000 minus 1024 is multiplied by 40. So here further we have when we multiply this term with 1000, we just replace these three zeros here, and this will becomes 1024, and here we write these three zeros. So further in the next step Here we consider this is one digit number, this is our two digit number, and 0 times this number becomes 0, and 4 times this number equals to 4 4s are 16. We write 6 and carry 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 becomes 9, 4 zeros are 0, 4 1s are 4. So here finally we need to subtract both of these two values, and we get here our final destination. Here we subtract these two values by using the common division, common subtraction method. So here we write the bigger number, that is 1024 and 000, and here we write the other number 0690 and 4. So here we just subtract both of these two values by usual subtraction method. This 0 minus 0 becomes 0, and here we carry 1, and this becomes 10, this becomes 9, and this becomes here 3. So 10 minus 6 becomes 4, 9 minus 9 becomes 0, 3 minus 0 becomes 3, and 2 is not subtracted by 4, and this 10 becomes 9, and here this will becomes 12. 12 minus 4 becomes 8, and at the last we get here 9 only. So now finally we have the final simplified form of 16 to the power of 5 minus 16 to the power of 4 is equals to 9 8 3 0 and 4 0. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.